I recruited a person for a particular activity. I recruited a person for a particular activity. So I delegated, this is the activity you require to do that. Next, in every step, my approval is required. In every step, my confirmation is required. Okay, you have to show each and every step because complete control should be there in my hand, like I thought. Can you please tell, is it a good approach? Dosto, is it a good approach?
No.
It's not. Because the reason for that is, array, you recruited a person, you delegated the work, in every step you require to give the approval. In every step you require to verify that. Then, what is the need of recruiting that person? Better to do on your own. Remember, right? Better to do on your own. So, you are not utilizing the power of delegation, the benefit of delegation. Okay, like that. So, that's why. So, if you want to hold the control, vast control should be there in my hand. You're never going to succeed. You have to leave the control. You have to delegate that control also. Then only you are going to grow. Let go to grow. Means give the control. Free from that activity. Give complete responsibility. Those people are going to take care. At last somewhere, they didn't perform well. Maybe. Then guide them. At least second time, third time, or at least 10th time, they are in a position to do that activity. But you are keep on every step, my approval is required. Next, every step you have to show to me. Then obviously, you are not doing any other activity. You are doing the same activity only. Unnecessary, you recruited a person. Let them go to grow. Are you in the position to understand this point?